Hi guys, this is the fourth and final part of the How to Build a Memory Game using Python and Pygame video series. In this final video, I'll be putting the finishing touches for our application and I'll be demonstrating its functionalities by running it. So let's get into it. So what we have to do lastly is we have to add the following line of code. In order to call the main method, we'll need this line of code. If you're wondering what the name variable over here contains, it is given the value of main when the script that is contained uh, in is being run. So when this sample.py file is being run, it intrinsically has the value of main as the name variable's value. Note, however, that this is not the case if the script is being imported into another Python file, then the main value will not contain the value of main, but rather will contain the file name's value instead. So that's an important difference, and I hope you learn from that. And next, we're going to be running the Python application. So to do that, what we have to do is go to our terminal and enter python sample.py, as that's the file name of this application. And as you see, the user is given a chance to memorize the positions of the sprites for 1 second before it becomes closed again. So I'll go through everything quickly and get to level 2. So you guys have a better idea of the flow of the game. Uh, so the goal of the game is to find matching tiles, and you do that by first selecting one tile and then selecting another tile, so we can see that these two tiles match and the score is incremented by 20. Um, and this process will be repeated until all the matching tiles are discovered. So there's 40 and there's 50 and the final one 60. Okay, so now we have the end game display animation taking place to indicate the level up condition has been met. And as you saw there, the covers are pulled back and the user is given a chance to memorize the positions of the second level's tiles so that they can match it. And notice the game board has become bigger, so a new column and a new row has been added in order to increase the difficulty of the game for the user. So that's how this game basically works. Now I'll show you the pause game functionality. So when the game is paused, nothing over here responds to click events. It is truly paused over here. So the only way to go back to the normal game execution is to press the resume button like so, and we're back to normal. So, and then if we click the quit button, the game will automatically quit. So let's do so. And yeah, so that's the game that we have built. I truly hope that this was helpful and you learned something from this. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And have a great day, guys. And let's keep in touch. Bye.